Hello and welcome. Let us discuss this question that came in the year 2014 and is related to the topic pollution. The question is, which of the following are some important pollutants released by steel industry in India? Number 1, oxides of sulfur. Number 2, oxides of nitrogen. Number 3, carbon monoxide. And number 4, carbon dioxide. Now, as far as steel production in India is concerned, that steel is produced by burning coal, iron ore. Coal is burnt to separate iron from iron ore, and then steel is produced. As far as this coal is concerned, then coke, which is basically carbon, is basically used for this purpose. As far as coal burning is concerned, then these are all the pollutants that is related to burning of coal. So this coke is burnt in the presence of carbon monoxide, which separates iron from iron oxide, and when this iron is separated, huge amount of carbon dioxide is released. As far as this coke is concerned, then we import good quality coke for the use of steel industry. So all these pollutants, that is oxides of sulfur, oxides of nitrogen, carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide, along with particulate matter, are released when steel is produced in India. Currently, Ministry of Steel recently talked about green steel. This green steel is basically the steel that is produced from low polluting fuels. These can be by using hydrogen. Instead of coal, we are using hydrogen, or electricity, or through coal gasification. This steel is produced. So all these fuels are low pollutants emitting fuels, hence they are used. And in case of hydrogen also, we are basically focusing on blue hydrogen and green hydrogen. As far as coal gasification is concerned, then whatever oxides of nitrogen, sulfur and CO2 and carbon monoxide are released, that are again used for thermal purposes. So this is coal gasification, and electricity is less pollution emitting as far as this green steel is concerned. So this was in news recently because Ministry of Steel talked about green steel. Similar nature question was there related in 2021 as well, related to iron industry or iron ore only. The question is, magnetite particles suspected to cause neurodegenerative problems are generated as environmental pollutants from which of the following? Number 1, brakes of motor vehicles. Number 2, engines of motor vehicles. Number 3, microwave stoves within the home. Number 4, power plants. And number 5, telephone line. Now, as far as iron ore is concerned, there are 4 types of iron ore. Hematite, magnetite, limonite, and siderite. Depending on the presence of iron, it is divided into these 4 types. So magnetite particles are basically magnetic particles suspended in the air in the form of Fe2 plus or trio oxides, ferrous oxides. Okay, and these are present in particulate matter, and they are responsible for both neurodegenerative and cardiovascular issues, that is heart related ailments. So as far as brakes of motor vehicles are concerned, they release magnetite particles in the air along the roadside in urban environment where vehicles are too frequent. So there this magnetite can be found. Also from exhaust of engine, particulate matters are released, oxides of sulfur and nitrogen are released. So they are found here also. In microwave stoves within homes, this is not found. Magnetite particles are not found in this. And in power plants also, through exhaust only, through emission only, we can find magnetite particles, and it is not present in telephone line. So our answer for this question will be B, 1, 2 and 4, that is related to magnetite particles. Thank you.